Hi guys, this is Shivanika. So this is my first YouTube video. I'm pretty active on Instagram and my link is down there. And if you're watching it, please subscribe to my channel. I am new here and I really would love the support. So today's video is about Zara haul sale. So from the time that I have been shopping from Zara, it was the biggest sale, like it was the best sale that I came across and I really loved it. And also my birthday was in July when the lockdown got over, so I got some of these things for me, and some of these are like gifts which were given to me or I chose for myself. Basically I wanted to do a video. I see a lot of these videos on Zara haul and Zara sale and haul from these H&M and different brands, Forever 21 and stuff. So I wanted, Zara is my favorite brand and I really wanted to do a video on Zara sale and all these products. So basically all the products that I'm gonna show you are winter clothing. So I mean, I also shopped summer and little bit some of the shoes and stuff and jeans and etc. Even the jeans, paperback jeans that I'm wearing right now is also from Zara. For other products like shoe thing that I bought on sale would be a second video. If you guys like and subscribe this one and comment that you like it. So any which ways, coming back to the video. So this video is about the winter Zara sale which happened, and some of these items you might find in Zara still, even though I bought it last month actually, but I see some of these products online as well, so I'm gonna just link it or mention the names, and also I'm gonna mention that in the description box below. So the first and foremost favorite clothing piece that I got from Zara is this sort of shirt dress which has this black and white check print. As you can see, I've already tried it, and so this is it. You can always wear it with your denims, with leather pants, because it has leather on it, on some part of it, and the sleeves are beautiful. You can even fold them and there's leather here too. So I totally love this piece. I mean, this can be used as oversized coat. This can be used as only a dress with leather boots in winters. This can be used as a coat, blazer, overcoat, dress, shirt, everything. So basically this is like a universal classic piece which you can use with a lot of other things. So as you can see how beautiful that it is looking. So this is this one product that I love the most out of the sale. I mean, I love all the other products equally, no discrimination between Zara products, but this is something, this is my favorite color. I love fuchsia pink, and as you know, you can see my bed, this is pink. My comforter, it's pink. Everything in my room is pink. I am wearing sort of pink because I love pink initially. So basically I love pink and I love wearing pink clothing, and this is so close to my heart, this sweater, because it is one of those Friends, if you've watched Friends series, I love that, and I'm a big fan. And if you see, Monica and Rachel wear these classic crop sweaters, and so with little bit balloon sleeves, and I totally love them. With the moment I saw this sweater, I was like, oh my god, this is so Rachel and this is so Monica. So this is like those old themed sweater with balloon sleeves and crop from here with very small waistline. You can wear it with a sports bra, you can wear it with, of course, black turtleneck, and on top of it with high-waisted skirt, high-waisted jeans, paperback jeans, and you will love it. And also the color, there were 3 different colors I checked, but I didn't get any sizes on them. This is actually very big. I usually wear medium, but from Zara I wear small. So this is small, and this sweater is this coat is very oversized, so I have bought extra small in this one. So if you guys are wearing small or medium, usually you can buy even extra small on it. because it is supposed to be oversized. The next clothing that I wanted to buy from a long time, so my sister bought this one, and she lives in Australia, and when she came here she bought this one, and I really wanted to buy this one, but it was for 5,000, and I just thought that this crop top is not worth it for me that time, and she already bought it, so I might could share it with her. But then, you know, when it came on sale, I was the luckiest person alive, and I was like, I need this. So my best friend got it for me during the birthday time and birthday sale. So it has got, as you can see, it has got these puff sleeves, and the color and everything is just so beautiful. I totally love it. So moving back to the favorite piece of clothing, anybody, one clothing that one should have in their closet is a statement piece, blazer. And this is the blazer that one should have in their closet. Either you're going for that meeting, either you're going for, you know, a brunch or a get together. You can wear it on top of your dress with denims. You can style it as much as however you can style it as however you want it to be. This is in size large because I love oversized blazers, and you know how big it is for me, but I love it. I totally love it. And also one more thing, that it was actually on sale and there was only one size available. I mean, there was extra large, but there was two oversized, but just kidding. So I love oversized blazers, and this is in size large. I mean, if you are looking for something like to wear on a bra or a sports bra or a t-shirt, and you know you're looking for that baggy sort of look, you would like it. You can even wear it with your shorts, and those shorts that are in trend now, and put like a belt in the waistline. And dun, dun, the last piece of clothing. I know you guys must be tired by this video. I'm talking too much, but this is my first video, so forgive me. And any suggestions I'll welcome, and you guys can comment below and let me know what I should be doing and what not. I mean, don't be cranky, but yeah, I mean, just bear with me. Any which ways, coming back to this piece of clothing, this is a leather jacket. As you can see, it's a biker leather jacket, but I must tell you that this is the best statement piece jacket from Zara. I love it. I mean, it looks so classy. It looks very different. I mean, I really can't wait for winters to come, and so you know I can actually get to wear these clothes. And I had so much fun shooting this video and trying on these clothes, and I was just feeling, you know, the winter should come. I should pair them with high boots, and I should pair them with my accessories and belts and everything. But unfortunately it's still summer, so I'm waiting for winters to try on these clothes. I mean, I already tried it for you guys for the video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you guys want me to do more such videos, please comment below, or comment what you want me to do. You want me to try on some different stuff, show my closet, show my house, show my bedroom tour, or what I eat in a day. I mean, could be anything. So basically I am all up for it, all up for YouTube, and I would really love you guys to comment. And you know, I would love that if you guys could comment, spare some time, and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much, and see you guys. Love from Shivanika.